Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reverse TV. Today I'll be talking about traditional mortgages. More specifically, can you get a VA mortgage on a manufactured home? The simple answer is yes, but there's some criteria that needs to be met. But before I do that, I just want to say a quick thank you. It's Veterans Day, so thank you to all the veterans out there. I'm assuming you're watching this because you're a veteran or a loved one of a veteran. So thank you. We appreciate your service. With all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and just dive into the criteria that I'm speaking about. It'll be a pretty short video. Basically, one of the first things is that the manufactured home that you're looking to buy or refinance, it should be built after June of 1976. Okay. From there, you can't put it in a the type of park where you rent or lease the land. You actually have to own the land. And the home can't have been moved from one parcel to the next. It has to be on its original parcel. Also, your home needs to be 400 square feet or larger and has to have permanent utilities hooked up. Of course, the tongue and axle have to be removed and it has to be on a permanent foundation. It's got to be taxed as real estate as opposed to personal property. So once you buy it, if you're buying it new, it has to be detitled and then set up to be taxed as real estate. Another thing that you don't really know about more than likely is that there has to be some comparable sales in the last 6 to 12 months that are manufactured homes. So if there hasn't been any that have been sold, you're going to have a challenging time, but that rarely happens. I've had it happen a couple times in my career where there weren't enough comparable sales, but for the most part, that's a non-issue. All right, so there you have it. You can get a home loan on a manufactured home, a VA home loan that is. I'd love to help you. My contact info is down in this description below. So reach out to me if you need help purchasing a property or refinancing a property. And again, thank you to all the veterans out there. Appreciate you. Take care.